would like to thank all of you for coming together today to learn another way of protecting our environment. I've created some handouts so that you can follow along if you choose. I'm going to talk about green roofs, also known as living roofs, and how they can protect our environment in several ways. I'm going to talk about the benefits, the types, and the construction of building a living roof. First, I will speak about the benefits of the green roof. This information I found at Kerber Commercial Roofing Company, St. Louis, Missouri. The benefits of the living roof are it insulates, it helps keep the heat outside in the summertime, keeping cooling costs down. It helps keep the cold outside, which helps keep our heating costs down. And in industrial buildings, it helps to protect against noise. It's a noise barrier. It also protects with stormwater runoff. So when there's a large storm and there's excess water, the water is absorbed by the plant medium nourishing the plants, and the excess water will be evaporated into the atmosphere. After weighing the benefits of the green roof, one will decide which one to construct, and there are two types. This information I found at Green Roof Specifications and Standards by Christopher G. and Wendy W. Wark. The two types of green roofs, there's intensive and extensive. First, I'll talk about the intensive. It's a high-profile industrial. They are built on top of large buildings, hospitals, that sort of thing. They create park-like settings and have the larger plants like trees and shrubs, more lawns, and some of them have water fountains, ponds, that sort of thing. The extensive are more self-sustaining. They are lower maintenance. The plant life differs from the intensive. There are more grasses, mosses, and smaller shrubs. And these are basically for residential. After deciding what type to construct, the building can begin. This information I found at the American Society of Landscape Architects, the Career Discovery Program. There are 7 layers to a living roof, and it can go on top of your existing roof. So on top of your roof, I will attempt to demonstrate how a roof is put together. On top of the roof they build an insulation layer. On top of that, there is a membrane that protects against excess water and the roots of the plants to go through the roof. Then there is a protective layer that is made of rigid insulation. Then there is a drain layer that is made of corrugated plastic drain mat. Then on top of that, there is a filter layer. After that is assembled, they can start putting in the containers, the plant medium, and the plants. The containers, plants are usually grown in containers that lock together so that if the roof is of a high pitch, then they won't slide off, and thusly keeping it all intact. So let me summarize the benefits, types, and constructions of a green roof. The benefits, it insulates, keeping heating and air conditioning costs down. It collects extra storm water to keep the storm water out of our drain systems. There are 2 types, intensive and extensive, and then there are 7 layers of construction. Before beginning your construction, it's a good idea to contact a licensed architect so that he can help you map out your plan and have the proper plants on top of your roof. In closing, it is my hope that I have properly demonstrated some of the benefits, types, and construction of the green or living roof. Are there any questions or comments?
How about the water system? Can you have an underwater sprinkler system?
In the industrial, which is the intensive, you can. They help with maintenance and help keep everything watered, just like it was your lawn. Anyone else?
What about vegetation? Yeah, like vegetables, tomatoes, cucumbers, can you grow that on?
The residential roofs, it isn't recommended to be on top of the roof. So it's not designed for that, but if you wanted to put them around the outlying areas of your roof where you can get up on a ladder to get them, you could do that.
And how long is one of them roofs good for?
The research that I have found states that the roof can last 50 years.
Not bad.
So they're real low maintenance.
The residential roofs are very low maintenance.
Cool.
Anyone else?
I guess you did a good job.
Thank you.